Hello, I'm Richard Webb with Valley Sportsman Unlimited, and today I'll be unboxing my brand new PSE Bow Madness. I had the 2013 model, but my limb cracked. I called up PSE. They said since you called and put the warranty on it lifetime, that we'll send you out a brand new bow. So here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So it looks like they sent me this complete stripped down model, which is alright. Doesn't even come with the peep sight. But you know what? It feels a little bit lighter than my old bow. A little different camo. It's the new mossy oak. Pretty well balanced. I see right off the bat, one of the main differences is that this is a twin cam. My last one was a solo cam. But they said it picked up the speed about 10 feet per second. I don't know if it'll be worth it. I got it adjusted from the factory to 28 inches, so I didn't have to do it myself. So let's go ahead and check it out. So so it says here draw length. It goes between 24 to 30 inches. It's factory press, 29 inches. If I had them lowered to 28, it set at 30 pounds. I had them set it at 70 pounds from the factory. It has 80% let off, and it is 32 and 3/8 axis to axis from here to over there. Let's see what else it comes with. So it comes with the PSE sticker. Very nice. Looks like deer antlers on fire. Pretty cool looking sticker. Nice, gonna look good on the back of my Titan. And it comes with the owner's manual, guide, bow model, serial number, purchase form, purchase date, draw length, draw weight. Mail-in warranty. That's a must. If you have a PSE, fill this out, send it in, fill it out online, and like I said, I got a crack in my limb, my $700 bow, and they sent me out a brand new bow. I mean, how good is that? Alright, the next video I'm going to be sending you, I got a brand new IQ precision sight for this thing, and a brand new ripcord So I'll be throwing those on here in the next video. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Say goodbye, Kelsey.
I should have been a cowboy. I should have learned to roll around, wearing my 6-shoe, riding my pony on a cattle drive. I might have had a sidekick with a funny name, running wild through the hills, chasing Jesse James.